How to make a Ubisoft account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can make or sign up for a Ubisoft account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to make a Ubisoft account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is just go to ubisoft.com and then you're going to be able to land on this page, where if you look at the top right hand corner, you'll find a little profile icon. Make sure to tap on it. As you tap the profile icon over here, it will ask you to log in if you already do happen to have an account. But since we don't have an account, we'll select this option called create an account over here. Once you tap on create an account, you can choose various type of payment methods or maybe your email address and so on that you might want to enter here. So just go ahead and make sure to enter the email address you want to use. You can also confirm the email address. Make sure to choose a password. Once you choose a password, select a date of birth, agree to the terms and conditions here. After that, just tap and create a Ubisoft account and your Ubisoft account will get successfully created. This way you will be able to make a Ubisoft account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.